In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to Squarespace. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your site sending traffic data to Google Analytics so you can understand where visitors come from, which pages they view, and how they interact with your content. Before we start, have your Google Analytics measurement ID handy. In Google Analytics 4, it typically starts with G, followed by a series of letters and numbers. If you don't have it in front of you, you can still follow along and paste it in when you're ready. Start on your Squarespace site dashboard. Look to the bottom left corner and click the settings icon. This opens the control center for your site, where you manage everything from domains to integrations. We'll be heading to the area where developer-related connections live. Inside settings, find the section labeled Website and Open Developer Tools. Depending on your version of Squarespace, this may appear slightly differently, but it will be within your site settings and clearly labeled. This area is designed for technical add-ons and trusted third-party services, which is exactly what we need for Google Analytics. Next, choose External API Keys. Think of this as a secure vault where Squarespace stores connection keys for services like Google Analytics. You'll see several fields for different tools. We're only interested in the one specifically labeled for Google Analytics. Locate the Google Analytics field and paste your measurement ID into the box. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the ID, and double check that you've copied the full code. If you're using Google Analytics 4, it should look like GN followed by your unique string. Squarespace typically sees this automatically, but if you see a Save button, click it to confirm. That's the core setup on the Squarespace side. To confirm everything's working, give it a little time to propagate, often a few minutes, but it can take up to 30 minutes. Then visit your live site in a new browser tab and browse a couple of pages. In your Google Analytics account, check the real-time report to see if your visit appears. If you don't see activity right away, try turning off ad blockers, use an incognito window, or wait a few more minutes and test again. Once this is connected, you'll be able to track sessions, page views, traffic sources, and more. Insights that help you make informed decisions about content, marketing, and design. And if you ever need to update your measurement ID, just return to Settings, open Developer Tools, go to External API Keys, and replace the value in the Google Analytics field. That's it. Your Squarespace site is now connected to Google Analytics.